How to capture cool image with backlighting. In this video, I will explain the differences about which direction is best to shoot from right before sunset. The light from a sunset is easy to photograph in because the sun is low and the light is not too strong. First, we try photographing with the sun in front of the person with direct light. The light is not from above and it's a nice orange color. The light is hard from the front, so it gives a distinct look. Next, we move a bit and photograph with the setting sun hitting the subject from an angle. The light is hard from the side and it looks cool and three-dimensional. It does look a little stiff, but if the evening light is a bit stiff, it is still charming. Let's try shooting after moving a little more so that the setting sun is directly to the side. The contrast is strong with the hard lighting from the side, but it makes a cool and dramatic image. Next, we move so that the setting sun is in a semi-backlit position. The sun will hit our subject from the back left. The subject here will shine with an edge light, but there will be no direct light onto their face. The light that hits their face is a soft light from the sky and looks nice. However, it's a little dark. Next, we try shooting by moving the subject so that the setting sun is a direct backlighting. The sunlight enters the lens and creates a flare, but this itself creates a fantastic atmosphere. It looks a bit overexposed, so we'll darken it and try shooting again. This looks nice. Keeping the same position, we add a stop to the front and shoot with daylight synchronization. It's not bad to add a stop, but I think it makes a cooler image to shoot without a stop. And personally, I like to use only the backlighting from the sun. In the evening, the sun is low and the light is weak, so you can take pretty good photos from any direction. The rest depends on how the photographer wants to capture the scene. Which direction of sunlight do you like?